Meet the Nexgrill DEluxe 2-burner gas grill in red, the small space grill with a statement personality. This fun and compact Nexgrill stainless steel end caps provide reinforced lid support for added durability and quality you can feel. Plus, a bold gloss red finish means you'll be grilling in style for years to come. When it's time to grill, up to 28,000 total BTUs of grilling energy means quick, convenient, controlled heating. While a generous cooking area provides enough room for up to 19 burger patties. Long-lasting matte-finish porcelain cast iron cooking grids deliver reliable performance and easy cleaning. Beneath the cooking surface, angled flame tamers help to distribute heat evenly, prevent flare-ups, and transform drippings into smoky flavor infusions. On each side of the firebox, foldable side shelves with attached hooks offer plenty of room for food prep and storage. And an enclosed cart below means even more storage for all of your grilling essentials. Depending on your taste, this 2-burner easily converts to natural gas with a Nexgrill natural gas conversion kit, but is shipped to be used with a standard liquid propane tank. And when grill time's over, 4 easy motion casters make freeing up patio space a walk in the park. Ready for a grill that matches your lifestyle and personality? We've got your next grill right here. The Nexgrill DEluxe 2-burner gas grill in red.